Hello and welcome to Stray Academy. We have already discussed front office, student information, and then academy. Well, and so in today's video, we are going to discuss income, expense, and attendance. So let's see income feature. So click on the income feature. You'll see add income, search income, and income head. These are the three modules of income feature. So while clicking on income head, you see different types of incomes are here which have already assigned in past. You can see, so income head you can add from here. So what will be your income, like income from us? You can write income from boss. Income from boss. Okay, income from us, and you can write descriptions here. So you can add income from here and then add income. You can also see, if you after adding income head, you can go to the income, like add income, and you can see here income head one, and then click on income head, and let's see what I have income from. See, these are the incomes which have already added in past. So let's see one hostel. Okay, hostel income and name of the hostels, invoice number, write your date, and how much income do you get from the hostels, like yearly wise or monthly wise. You can add here, you can add documents, and then you can save it. So after saving the details, you can see here the record. So if you want to edit something, so you can go on edit option. You can see my mouse cursor here. Here is an edit option, so click on edit option. You can see hostel, and then I write Hamra hostel's name, and date is like this is a demo for you all, and then amount is like not 1000, it will be a 10,000. Okay, and then click. So you can see at 10,000, here is 10,000 is unsigned. So you can add income like this. So similarly you can add expenses. Let's see an expense. Go to the expense feature. So you can see again a three module, that is add expense, search expense, and expense head. Okay, so again first you have to add expense head. So click on expense head. So write your expense head here, write your descriptions, and then save it. You can see the example I have already assigned here. So go to the add option. It is same like the income. Okay, so add your expense head and the name of expense, invoice number, date, and then how much amount have you spent. And if you have a document, then please attach here and write descriptions, and then save it, and you can have a look here. So if you want to search any expense, then you can go to the today's, let's see, today's expense will be what, bus. Okay, and then search here. So there is no data available, I have not recorded any data. So if you record data, then there will be available. Okay, so similarly you can see the attendance. Okay, now let's see the attendance feature. In attendance feature, you can see attendance dashboard, student attendance by date, approved leave, and staff attendance by date. Okay, so in attendance dashboard you can see the overall attendance of the organizations or schools. Okay, you can see here the registered employee, how many employee are there in schools or organizations, you can see from here. Okay, so how much employee are active, you can see here, and how much employee present today, so you can see from here. This is the dashboard of the income. Okay, and you can search according to date. So let's see student attendance. So click on student attendance, right? So you can search student attendance according to class, and then according to section, and attendance by date, and then click on search button. Then you'll get a attendance of the class. So it is similarly like attendance, student attendance by date. You can see it is similar like a student attendance. So there is also an approve leave. You can approve the leave of the student, and similarly the staff attendance is also similar like student attendance. So you can select the role of the employee and then attendance date, and you can search here. So this is the three module which we have discussed today. So if you get any confusion, please contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.